Are you a real estate investor or a real estate dealer, according to the IRS? Hi, guys. The real estate world is vast and rich with many possibilities of making a really nice profit. However, as many of you may have already painfully learned, it can also feel like a landfill lined with many costly tricky pitfalls if you don't have someone that's knowledgeable of tax strategies to help guide you to avoid these many costly pitfalls. Well, hello, for those of you who are new to me, my name is Lisa Marie McAllister of Pinnacle Financial, and we here at Pinnacle Financial help real estate investors who fix and flip residential properties obtain funding and to save on average $30,000 per year through strategic business and tax strategies. Now, I am both a CPA and an enrolled agent. Before we get started with today's discussion, I'd like to ask that if you do like this video, to please click on the like button, click on the share button, and click on the subscribe button. And that way you'll be notified when I upload new content. Okay, let's get started with today's discussion. Now, I'd like to preface this discussion by saying that, of course, here at Pinnacle Financial, we're poised to service all clients, both individual and business taxes, all states. However, because our specialty is real estate investors who fix and flip properties, our discussion is aimed towards trying to help ensure that they have or get a tax strategist or CPA to help guide you through the many tax laws so that you don't fall prey to the many pitfalls that may lie ahead for you. So that's that. Let's get started with today's discussion. Now, maybe we should start by first saying, who does the IRS consider a real estate dealer? Because my real estate flippers, I need you to understand there is a difference between dealing and investing. When you purchase a property and you improve it, but if you hold it for less than a year, the IRS considers this property dealer property. Thus, the profit that you earn is called dealer profit, and it's going to be taxed as such. So it will, if instead of having the benefit of being taxed at your capital gains tax rate, because you've been labeled a dealer, you will now be subject to the ordinary income tax rate, whatever bracket that is that you're in. And in addition, you will be subject, because this is considered earned income opposed to investment income, you will also be subject to the famous 15.3% self-employment tax. So as you can see, this is the combined, let's do an example. Let's say you bought a property and you made a profit of $50,000. Let's say that you're in a 22% tax bracket. Well, because you've been labeled a dealer instead of an investor, you're going to be subject to your ordinary income tax rate, the 22%, and you're going to owe the 15.3% self-employment tax. So that's a combined tax of 37.3% that you would be subject to pay on your $50,000 profit. Now, if my math holds correct, that's going to be roughly 18,003 something of taxes. I think 375 of taxes. That's only going to leave you 31,350 in income out of your 50,000 of profit. That's a lot of tax to pay. And so there are tax strategies in place, legal tax strategies that can help you avoid this dealer status label and would help you to save on these taxes. And that would be to demonstrate to the IRS investment intent. In other words, you would demonstrate to the IRS that the purchasing of the properties are not a part of your normal business operations and are instead a strategy to raise capital for future investment projects. Now, if you are successful at demonstrating this to the IRS, you're going to derive a savings right there, because now, as we've discussed, you'll be able to, that profit will be subject to your capital gains tax rate instead of your ordinary tax rate, and the self-employment tax, you will no longer be subject to the self-employment tax on that profit. So you want to avoid the dealer status. Now, there are other tax strategies out there to help you to avoid the dealer status, but again, that's going to be dependent upon many factors, such as your entity structure as well as your own personal goals for your company. And so these are the things that you would discuss during your tax planning with your tax strategist or CPA, and they should be able to help guide you in a way so that you will receive the tax treatment or plan that you're looking for at the end of the year when you do file your taxes. Now, that brings me to my next point. I know right now you're busy filing your taxes, and that's for the business decisions and tax decisions that you have already made during the year. And now, more or less, you're just filing the applicable taxes that go along with those decisions that have already been made. I say that because I want to emphasize to you, now is the time, if you're not happy with the outcome of your taxes, this is the time to start looking for another tax strategist or CPA that will plan with you. You can put in place tax strategies and planning so that you can have that outcome that you're looking for at the end of the year. Once we reach the end of the year, we can't undo what's been done already. So, as I said, look now for your tax strategist that can help you achieve whatever it is that you're trying to look for at the end of the year. Now, we here at Pinnacle Financial would be more than happy to assist you. There is a link below that you can click and schedule your free strategy call with us. We'd be more than happy to assist you. There is also a link below that says self on board, which basically means that it would be your portal if you have already decided that you want to partner with us here at Pinnacle Financial. And once you click on that link, it will guide you as to what steps to make. It will also show you all the services that we offer, and you could feel free to select any and all services that you'd like us to assist you with. Now, as usual, I hope that this video was helpful to you, and I hope that if you did like it, that you feel free to click on the like and that you share it with others, your family and your friends and other real estate investors who may need our assistance as well. And click on the subscribe button so that it will help you potentially when we upload new content. Now, that is it for today. And I do truly thank you for watching this video. And until next time, goodbye. Have a good day.